How to add gift button on Instagram. Let's jump right into the steps. First off, you want to open Instagram, which can be downloaded through App Store. After you enter the Instagram, you want to go ahead and tap on profile. Then you want to go ahead and tap on 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner. Then you want to tap on orders and payment. You want to tap on payment method and tap on add to payment. You're gonna add payment method right here. And after that, when you upload any reels, for example, I'm adding this reel, you want to tap on next. Then tap on next again, which is on the bottom right corner. Adding send gift button is not available in every area and country. You have to be in a particular country that allows gift button on Instagram. But in my case, I'm currently in the place where Instagram does not allow gift button, so I cannot see gift button right here. But if you are located in the place where Instagram allows gift button, you'll see gift option right here, and you'll be able to tap on that gift button and add the gift. Then people will be able to send a gift to you. And that is all for today's video. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.